Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveiled Universe. So today we are going to compare Samsung Galaxy S9 to its predecessor Samsung Galaxy S8. So here we begin. The first thing we should compare is the design. The design of Samsung Galaxy S9 is way too similar that of Samsung Galaxy S8. The same infinity display, but there is a difference in the placement of the fingerprint scanner, which is just below the camera lens now. The second one is the display. So the display of Samsung Galaxy S9 is 20 to 25% more brighter than the Samsung Galaxy S8, and also the display of Samsung Galaxy S9 is termed as the best display available on the market at this moment, because it has just replaced the iPhone X's or the iPhone X's display from the top place, which was reported by the display mate. Camera. The next thing we are going to compare is on the basis of camera. So it's the most crucial update or the most important update on regards of Samsung Galaxy S9, as it has a 960 frames per second slow-mo on Samsung Galaxy S9, which is about 240 frames per second on Samsung Galaxy S8. So the S9 is the first phone which is having a dual aperture lens, which can change its aperture according to the light entering the camera sensor. Here we come to the processor, RAM, storage. The processor is upgraded. The international variant of Samsung Galaxy S9 is having Exynos 9810 compared to last year's 8895 Exynos, which is present on Samsung Galaxy S8. On the other hand, in US version, there will be Snapdragon 845 present on Samsung Galaxy S9, and Snapdragon 835 will be present on Samsung Galaxy S8. The RAM on Samsung Galaxy S9 is same as on the Samsung Galaxy S8. And as we come to the storage have been improved to 128 gigabytes as the base model. Biometrics on Samsung Galaxy S9 are improved a bit, as the fingerprint sensor is moved just below the camera lens for a better placement and easy to access. And the other thing which is most important is the intelligent scan, using both iris scanner and face recognition at the same time, making it more reliable. Here we come to the software. The software on Samsung Galaxy S9 is same as the present on Samsung Galaxy S8. They both are running on Android 8.0 Oreo. And the next thing we are going to compare is the battery. The battery on Samsung Galaxy S9 is same as compared to Samsung Galaxy S8, but there has been an efficiency control on the CPU, so the Samsung Galaxy S9 would give a better performance as compared to Samsung Galaxy S8. Conclusion. There are some significant upgrades on Samsung Galaxy S9, but I would not recommend an S8 user to upgrade to Samsung Galaxy S9. Rather, I would recommend them to wait for the next flagship from Samsung this year, that is the Note 9, which is rumored to be a flexible beast. Samsung Galaxy S9 is a great update for users having Samsung Galaxy S6 and S7 Edge, or the normal S7. So what do you think about this comparison? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you find this video useful, do hit that subscribe button for more upcoming content. And that's all for today. Thank you for coming. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Till then, goodbye.